Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a propeller in Solidworks software. So before going to start, I'm requesting everybody if you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos and like, comment, and share of this video. Okay, now I'm going to start taking a new file. File is selected. Okay, I'm selecting the MMGS. Now I'm taking the front plane. After that, I'm going to take a line, sketching a line. Okay. Then I'm going to determine the dimension. Take this one is 350 millimeters, and this line is taken 18 millimeters. This one is taken 200 millimeters. Now, okay, and I'm taking a spline. A spline is taken one click and the right button, then click on this spline and click on this arrow sign, then make it horizontal. Okay, done. After that, exit it, then go into the features, revolve boss is selected, and axis this line. Click on this line and revolve. Now I'm going to the MGS and edit the properties. Okay, image quality. I'm going to increase the image quality. Okay, then okay. Okay, done. Then I'm going to take the top plane, normal, sketch here. Going here and 3 point corner rectangle is taken. Then one click, another click, another click. Now I'm going to determine the dimension. I'm taking this one is 12 millimeters and taking this one is 225 and the angle between is 30 degree or 25 degree. Okay, then exit. Okay. After that, I'm going to take the top plane again and going to the reference geometry and plan, taking it up to 360 degree. Then right click, sketch it. Then I'm going to take the again corner rectangle, 3 point corner rectangle is taken again. One click and I'm trying to take another. That means click OK. Then determine the dimension. This one is also 12, and this one is taking 40. Okay, and the angle between to this point is 30. I'm taking this one as a 15. Okay, 20 is better. 20. Okay, 20 done. Then exit it. Now see, click here and hide the plan. Then I'm going to this features, loft base is selected. Click uh, this point and another click on this point. Now see what happened. Straight it this way. Okay, done. After that, I'm going to the fillet and click this point. Uh, then fillet. I can select this one. Trying how it's happened. Select this one. This patch. This one. And this patch. Now see, it's not make yet. So I have to end the work. Go to the fillet and I'm selecting this one. Click this portion, this edge, and another click on this edge. And I'm taking this one to 135, 130. Then I can see, make it. After that, I'm going to take the fillet again. Fillet and going to select this one and 30. The radius is 30. I'm selecting this one, this corner, this edge, and also this edge. Now okay, see, and again going to the fillet. Now I'm taking the radius is 5. Then selecting this edge, this edge, this edge, and the also this edge. Now okay. Now see. Now I'm going to the linear pattern, circular pattern is selected. Now going to the fillet is selected. I'm selecting this one. And the loft card is selected. And going to the bodies, selecting this one. And I'm taking this one is again going to circular patterns. Selecting patterns is here. Now I'm selecting this one and going here selecting this one. It is created, but I want to select this whole body. Select this one. Okay. Now I did it. See, this one is done. I want to create a hole here. Cut. Select this one. Going to circle. Sketch a circle. And I'm taking the diameter of the circle is 100 millimeters. Exit it. Exit it. And the depth also I'm taking the 100 millimeters. Now see, I can take also 100, 150. Okay, done. See, the hole is done. Then I'm going to take the fillet again, and I'm selecting this edge and also this edge. Taking this one is 10 millimeters. And okay. Then I'm going here, select this one. Now see, after that I'm going to rate the materials. I'm taking this one is metals, steel or aluminum. I'm taking this aluminum. Polish aluminum is taken. Then I'm selecting this color. Okay. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you everybody. Thanks for your valuable time.